back with stem and leaf plots, and this one's going to be really short because it's really a pretty easy topic. Okay, so on number 1, it gives you a list of dog breeds, letters from A to Z, so 26 dog breeds because there's 26 letters in the alphabet, I think, last I remember. And then you have 51 breeds that start with A, 61 breeds that start with B, like a beagle, 50 breeds that start with C, like maybe a Cocker Spaniel, and so on, okay? And it wants you to find the maximum and minimums. The minimum will be Z, which has 0. That's a Z. That looks like a 2, but it's a Z. And then the maximum, S, 62. Yeah. So S, which has 62. So those are your minimums and maximums. Those are important numbers, as you would imagine. And then for B, it has 2 different parts. We're just going to do one, okay? It wants you to do a stem and leaf plot with them ordered and with them not ordered. I'm going to show you how to order data in your calculator, and then we're just going to do it that way. All right, so we go from 0 to 6 on the outside. Okay, and in your calculator, you're going to enter in your data, just like you would, just like you've done the whole summer. Okay, 51, 61, 50, 19, 18, 11, 7, 14, 12, 5, 22, 23, 27, 50, 9, 39, 0. So Q could also be in the minimum, because it also has 0 dog breeds that start with Q. And U as well. I see U coming with another 0. 7, 15, 1, 2, and 0. So all 26 letters. Then we're going to go stat. Go to sort A. That means sort ascending. It means from least to greatest. And then I want to do list 1 because that's where I type my data. So I'm going to press second and then the number 1. See, L1 is in blue. Y'all should be familiar with those kind of shift commands like that. So sort L1, it says done. Now when I go to stat edit, my data is in order. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So on my stem and leaf plot, I have what? 3 zeros. So I'm going to go 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. For 1 on the outside, that's going to be 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 15, 18, 19, 19. Okay, so we have 11, 12, and 2 14s. So there's 11, there's a 12, there's my 2 14s. 15, 15, 18, so 15, 15, 18, and then 2 19s. So that would be my ones column. This is your 10 spot, this is your 1 spot. 1-1 means 11, 1-2 means 12, 0-0 means 0, 0-5 means 5. Okay, and that's what it says at the bottom with the key. It says 5-1 means 51 breeds. That is super important, okay? Anytime you are asked to create a stem and leaf plot, if you do not include the key, you will be penalized. They will count off credit for that. So make sure if you're ever required to ask to create one of these, it's very easy to create, you can see. I mean, I ordered the data because it looks better, and that's the answer to C. If you did it unorganized, you would have put 51 first, and then 61, and then 50, so you would have a 1 and then a 0 as opposed to a 0 and a 1. It really doesn't matter. It's just more organized to be ordered like that. Okay? But if you're ever asked to create one of those, the key is super important. Okay? If you don't have that, they will count off. I've seen that on multiple AP exams that I've went back and looked at. Okay? So anyways, that's what you're doing with stem and leaf plots. And then you're answering some questions on those. On part D, it says find the median. Okay, the median is the one in the middle. So we need to find, and that, in this case, it's actually going to be 2 numbers that are going to be in the middle. If I go back to my calculator, there's 26 letters, so we're looking at letter 13 and letter 14. or breed 13 and 14, which is 15 and 15, they're the same, so the median is 15. Normally when there's 2 in the middle, you have to add them up and divide by 2. But in this case, it's kind of obvious, okay? So that's what your median is. The mode is going to be the longest stick, the longest set of leaves, I guess, because this is the stem and these are the leaves. The most leaves on one stem will be what the mode is. Does a stem plot make calculating a mean easier? I would say no, because you still have to add them up and divide by the number, divide by 26. So I wouldn't say a stem plot really helps. The range, yes, because you can see the lowest number and the highest number, and you can subtract them. So I would say range is easier, okay? And that's really what you're doing on all those. It's a 7th grade activity. It's pretty easy. Just kind of getting practice again, just getting comfortable with using data. If you have any questions, let me know. You can comment underneath the video. I'll be glad to help you on Google Classroom. I would prefer it there as opposed to YouTube because I don't see those as much. But, yep. All right. Thanks, guys.